guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld.
It's Can-Am Ride Day.
Where are we going, Barb?
Well, after spending a day at the Hershey RV show, we are going over to visit GF Explorers, and we're going to be doing what?
We're doing a Coney cook-off. Cincinnati Conies versus Detroit Conies.
Detroit Conies, you're going down. So we're here with Victoria and Rich.
Hello.
And they thought that they could bring their Detroit chili to the table. We're trying not to laugh right now, but but we know that it's going to be absolutely delicious because I don't know if you know about these guys. One, they're professional chefs. One, they're authors. One, they're painters. One, they're gorgeous. I mean, there's
we're just a retired RVers.
Yeah, and we're just here hanging out with them.
Oh, you guys are so much more than just retired RVers.
But if you don't know them, you need to subscribe to their channel. They are GF Explorers, beautiful Victoria, handsome Rich, and they are super duper amazing, and they're tasty. So.
Oh, we're tasty. I like that.
I don't even know where to go with that. Barb and Bob are going to tell you how to build a Cincinnati chili.
Yeah.
I think you have to have that first.
Yeah, I want that.
Maybe a little bit.
And then we're going to build a Detroit Coney the way a Detroit Coney's, and then all rules are off. You
Okay, so
can
then I
whatever-
can mix and match.
Yeah.
Yeah,
what
you
you're
can
saying.
put
And then we
whatever-
could even mix the chilies together
Oh.
and come up with a
Oh,
new
I don't
chili.
Know. Bob's not too. I don't know if Bob wants that.
I tell you what, they're different enough that I want to try it.
I do too. I would try it. And then here, just to give you guys an idea, this is our chili made by Chef Bob RV.
Yep.
And then this is their chili
Made by Rich.
made by Chef Rich RV.
Yeah. I made the buns.
The buns.
Buns.
Yeah. Because I'm not from. He's the Detroit
All
guy.
right,
I'm
so-
not the
Hot
Detroit
dogs.
person.
So I want Bob, who's the Cincinnati guy. I
Yep.
want Bob to tell us how to put together. I've had Skyline chili. I know it and I love it. But
You're talking about the spaghetti side of it?
yep,
Yeah.
the spaghetti
We
side
want
of
to
it.
know the rules.
So, you want to start with your base spaghetti?
I'm gonna get some spaghetti.
Yep.
Gluten-free
And normally at
spaghetti.
Skyline, what they'll do is they'll have a little bit of chili mixed in with the spaghetti.
Yes.
So it
Yeah,
has a
ahead of
little
time,
bit
so which we're not doing, which is okay.
So let's build one just so we know
Oh,
what it
okay.
is.
So I'm the one. Okay, and
So
then.
and then you want to do chili?
Yep.
Okay, how
I
much
mean-
chili? As much as I want.
As much as you want.
Yeah, they usually give you the Skyline's actual chili will be a little bit more
More
watery.
runnier, but we kind of
So
like
then
it
you
more
can do
drier.
Onions, you make it a three-way is with your cheese.
Yep.
And I can't
And then-
do the cheese,
then
but
you-
I
Yeah.
could.
Then you can do onion for a four-way.
Oh no,
or you can
not
do
on your
beans.
Skyline. That's for the hot dog.
Yep, that's for the hot dogs.
Yeah, no mustard.
Well, what if I wanted to?
You could put some on there if you
Okay,
want.
but that's not traditional.
Traditional,
So
no.
this is outside the cheese, but you
Yeah.
can't do. This
Yeah.
would be.
Yeah, you'd
okay.
have your spaghetti, you'd have your chili, then your cheese. That'd be a three-way. And then you
Okay.
add onion,
Beans.
Beans.
Oh, they have
Beans,
a-
kidney
yeah.
beans,
Yep.
brown
Oh.
kidney beans.
Yeah.
And those would be the
A four-way?
five-way.
A five-way?
Four-way. So you make a four-way with onion or a four-way with
Bean,
bean.
yep.
Subtract either one. Or you have a five-way.
Yep.
Okay, I'm doing my whatever way this is.
Okay, and then I'm going to describe a
That's really good. I love the hint of cinnamon
Yep.
Cinnamon,
and
Yep.
chocolate in there.
Yep.
Oh, and it's not too spicy.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Oh, I
Good.
really,
'Cause we-
really like that.
We can
Yeah,
rake it
it's-
up and make it a little spicy if you
I
wanted
like
to.
it with the
but-
pasta. It's very interesting.
Yeah.
All right, so let's build
The
a
hot
Detroit-
dog.
a Detroit Coney dog.
So, yep, you're right. You started out with the hot dog bun.
Step number one is we bake our own buns. We
Yep.
bake a gluten-free bun here. One of the key elements is to use a natural casing hot dog because you want that snap.
Yes, yes.
So
you're
you
correct.
want to use a good hot dog. Victoria, can you hand me the
The chili.
That one.
the chili?
Do you
and
want
then
cheese and onion?
no cheese on a Detroit
Oh.
Coney. Nope.
Oh, okay.
That's
Now-
right. It's cheese and mustard.
That's not true. You can use it. You can certainly do
I
that.
mean, it's
Oh, I
Western
was
onion.
always wondering if it had the pickles and all that stuff on it. Is that a Chicago dog?
Chicago.
That's
Okay.
a Chicago dog.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so, as much just like Skyline, as much chili as you want to put on there.
Mm.
And then we've got the finely diced white onion,
Yep.
as much as you want to put on there.
Yep. I love onion.
All right. And then
We were using the specialty of Whataburger mustard.
Yeah, Whataburger mustard.
it's
Why not?
mustard.
Wow.
And just like Chicago, ketchup does not go on a hot
No,
dog.
That's
no
right.
ketchup.
Absolutely not.
Yep.
And
Not on
that
this.
is the classic Detroit style coney.
Okay. So one of us is I'm gonna do the Detroit style.
I'll let
Okay.
one of you, since I made it, I'll let one
Okay.
of you guys try it so you can. And
Bob,
I'm
you
gonna
can go ahead and try
This
it.
is really good. I'm really loving this. I love the whole chili pasta thing.
Yep.
It's really good.
So what are your thoughts about that?
Very good.
Bob is our eating challenge person.
Your chili is amazing. I love.
Yeah,
I
and
love all
talk. The
flavors
chilies
in it.
are very different.
I am super excited to try this.
Barb's going in.
Yep. So no
Detroit.
cheese.
No, you can put cheese on yours.
I don't.
Mm.
I don't usually don't do cheese.
You have to, because it's the traditional
Okay.
Cincinnati, so you have to.
The homemade bun is incredible. Amazing.
It is good.
Mustard. I love it. I absolutely love it. I feel a little worried now. A Skyline might be in trouble. This is excellent. In fact, I'm going to get a second bite before I hand it back to Bob. It's all over my face,
When
I
you got
think.
mustard all over your face. That's good.
That is incredible, guys. I love the bun.
Thank you.
Yep.
Am I okay with onions
Yep,
on
onions
this?
and mustard.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going
I'm not
in for
even
my
sure what goes on at Detroit.
His chili try.
yeah,
I've never
my
had
chili.
one.
And he is not a typical Skyline person where they put 3/4 of a bag of cheese. We
Very-
didn't bring the crackers. That's the other thing.
Yep, that's the one thing that's missing is crackers.
Yep.
Do the oyster crackers.
I'm gonna say, I know my Skyline chili. These guys have nailed
Yay!
the Skyline chili.
Yay.
This has the chocolate. The is it nutmeg or something else?
Clove.
There's clove.
Yeah.
Clove and cinnamon.
Yep.
in
Yep.
there.
And yeah, you get that. That's it. That is.
That was so good.
Yeah, it's got ground garlic. It's
Oh.
got lots of. Well, I did 4 pounds, so it's got 4 cups of onion ground. in it.
Oh,
That's
Yep.
the Skyline experience right there. Fully the Skyline experience.
Bob has spent a lot of time crafting this because he's looked up different recipes, but it was never quite right.
Well,
so
my dad was always a big chili guy, so he always modified it. Whatever mom made, he always
Yeah.
made sure he made
Now
his
the
changes.
question is, are you guys going to share your recipe with the world, or is it a family secret?
Oh no, it's not a family
no,
secret.
no, we would definitely share it.
Okay,
Yep.
so we're putting our recipes. We'll put the recipe to the hot dog buns, the chili, in the descriptions down below. We'll
Yep.
give it to these guys so you can share it on your
Yay.
channel. This is truly the Skyline experience.
Yay.
It really is.
So, guys, as much as I would like to keep showing this, Barb can't eat, and Barb is the tasty person in the group. So, Barb's
we're-
gonna eat.
Okay, Barb and Bob, I think you win.
Yes.
Do you wait? Do you know why you win?
Why? No.
Because you completed the Skyline Chili experience. And for those of you that don't know, Skyline Chili has buckets of York peppermint patties.
Yeah.
And when you're done with your chili,
Yep. You must have them.
so by nature of completing my Skyline experience, congratulations, you win.
Yay!
Now, to give you the Detroit Coney Dog experience, Bob, I need your wallet.
that's not fair to Detroit.
I'm gonna get my gun out.
That's what I'm gonna mug you. But
That's not fair.
no,
I love it.
That's
I
not
love
that's
it.
not fair. But you congratulations, you win for
Yay.
completing the Skyline experience with the
Yay.
York peppermint patties.
Yay!
They're normally about a quarter of that size.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the
Normally
they're the
you-
medium.
normally you buy
We got the
2.
big one. Oh, it's been so long.
It's gonna be the experience.
Nothing like a peppermint patty.
Oh.
Mm. Oh my God, the experience of how amazing it is. It's incredible. We're so excited to accept this award. Thank you, fans. Thank you. Thank you, Cincinnati. Sorry, Detroit, that you voted against us, but thank you. We love you. Mwah. So, we hope that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please smash up that notification bell. We want you to subscribe to these guys' channel because
please
they
do.
are super incredible. They're tasty, delicious.
Oh, we're tasty.
And Bob wants you to.
And our food
Give
is
us your
tasty,
comments.
delicious,
Let us
too.
know. Have
Yeah.
you had Detroit chili? Have you had Cincinnati Skyline
Yeah.
or Gold Star chili? Tell us which one wins.
I'm going to link a bunch of their channels below. And you guys need to remember that we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our incredible world.
Bye.